My name is Miron Gribitz.
My name is Ashish Ahuja.
My name is Contessa Hanig.
Himabindu Magaluri.
Ais Mesalangedes.
Joseph Wang.
Blaze Sanders.
Karen Kwan.
Andrew Kmichek.
And I've spent the last 10 years in New York.
I'm from New York.
I'm from New York originally.
From South Africa.
Greece.
Toronto, Canada.
Helena, Montana.
From Sydney, Australia.
Toronto.
Where am I from? Next question.
I'm basically from South India.
Before I started working at Meta, I was working on my PhD in computer vision.
I worked on a bionic eye for the blind.
A few years of work at NASA working on robotic missions to the moon.
I was a professor of physics at UC Davis.
I work as computer vision software engineer at Meta. What I work on is tracking human hands. Like for example, you can grab a hologram and move it around.
I am a computer engineer.
Hardware engineer.
A senior software engineer.
Electromechanical engineer.
Software engineer.
So I'm the VP of engineering.
My coworkers would say what I actually do every day at Meta is doing the magic behind the hands.
A lot of prototyping and design of electronics and circuits.
And just making sure all the details are perfect.
We've created a computer that allows you to make eye contact with another person while simultaneously looking at digital information.
It's really exciting to work with all sorts of new technologies.
The opportunity to achieve my long-term goal of building every subsystem of an Iron Man suit.
The breadth and depth of the technology that we're putting together in a way that nobody's ever put it together before.
I would like someone to develop an application in which you can view the stars.
Things that will help people be in this world.
There are many things. I've got a long list of ideas.
Apps for healthcare and medicine.
Learn better and do things that they weren't able to do before.
But we need people to make the app store for us, so all of the actual utility.
So when I'm talking to people who don't know about virtual or augmented reality, I like to take a step back.
We are attempting to blend in, augment the real world, not cut the person off.
Breaking the boundaries between the digital and the real world.
Pointing out that you can actually manipulate holograms with your hands and stick them to surfaces.
So it's like something's there, you can add detail, add information.
When you put on these glasses, your entire world becomes transformed.
The first time I saw a Meta demo, I was blown away.
We were able to see 3D objects and feel their depth as if they were real.
You know, for movies and whatever, you get a sense of what it should be like, and it was really like that.
There's a tingling feeling in my hands when I grabbed onto the hologram.
The first time I saw Meta, I just said, oh fuck, that was cool.
The lightsaber demo, which was really cool because you got to be Luke Skywalker as he was training.
The sculpting demo, where you can sculpt a vase out in front of you and then send it to a 3D printer.
When I first saw the Meta website, I was literally thinking, is this a science fiction kind of thing?
Wow, this is amazing. I never thought I'd be able to, put on a pair of glasses and be able to see all this cool content and also be able to see the world around me.
It just was so easy to use that, when you use something and it works seamlessly, you don't realize how much work goes into making it.
The last few months working at Meta have been really intense, but really rewarding.
Absolutely a frenzy.
I would probably say mostly stressful.
It's been very hectic. I think it's been hectic for the entire team.
A lot of sleepless nights.
Very enlightening.
Incredibly exciting.
We finally get to see our product being shipped out the door.
This thing was unprecedented.
There's over 85 unique mechanical components and kind of coordinating with our different vendors and getting all of those components to arrive here in California.
You have to wear so many different hats at the same time.
Thank you for supporting us on this incredibly long journey.
You completely got us off the ground.
If it wasn't for you guys, this wouldn't be possible.
We put a lot of time and a lot of our love into it, and we're really excited to see what you guys can make with it.
Your world just opened up.
Welcome to a new era of computing, and we hope you enjoy.
This is just the first step.
Just dive right in. There's no way to describe the experience.
We're looking forward to seeing all the great things that you guys are about to develop.
I think we've only scratched the surface on the types of applications that could be built.
Thanks for all your patience.
And there is much more to come.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.